Hello everyone, this is Dr. Abhishek and today I'm going to share with you about our new product Omega 35679. It's a very unique product because in the market generally you get Omega 3, 6 and 9, but in this we have added Omega 5 and Omega 7 as well. So it gives you the benefits of all the 5 Omegas in one soft gel. Another good news is that it comes in a completely vegetarian form. Even the outer shell is in a veggie soft gel form. So those who relate omegas to just fish oil, this is great news for them, and even now they can get all the benefits of omegas. So I'll show you how this product looks, how each veggie soft gel appears. Let's have a look at this. So it's completely sealed. Here we go. And so it appears like this. These are beautiful reddish yellow colored soft gels. All are completely vegetarian. So we have put in this omegas from 5 natural sources. So generally the 369 or the 3679 omega which you get in the market are sourced from either the flaxseed oil or the sea buckthorn oil. But in this we have put in 5 natural sources of omegas. So the 5 natural plant sources which go into this soft gel are: first is flaxseed oil, second is borage oil, then olive oil, fourth is sea buckthorn oil, and fifth is pomegranate seed oil. So all these 5 go into each soft gel of this omega 35679. Let's further break this down. You get omega 3 fatty acids from the flaxseed oil and the sea buckthorn oil. Next, omega 5, you get omega 5 from the pomegranate seed oil. Omega 7 comes from sea buckthorn oil, and omega 6 and 9 come from all the 5 sources which I just mentioned. Now let's get on to the main thing. Why should one consume this? What are the benefits of this product? So the benefits of omega 35679 can go on and on. There are numerous of benefits of this product. So to start with, it is helpful in combating metabolic syndrome. So what is metabolic syndrome? Metabolic syndrome is a group of symptoms like obesity, diabetes, blood pressure. All these symptoms combined together are known as metabolic disorders or metabolic syndrome, which can pose a threat like heart attack or stroke. So this product and these omegas collectively can help you to combat this metabolic syndrome. Next, it can also help in reducing the total cholesterol count. It can also help in controlling the bad cholesterol, and at the same time it can help to improve the levels of good cholesterol, that is the HDL levels. For heart, it is very beneficial. It can prevent atherosclerosis, that is hardening of the blood vessels, and thus it can reduce the risk of heart disease and heart attacks also. Next benefit, it can also reduce the risk of high blood pressure. So those people having high blood pressure, this is a very good product for you. Apart from the heart, this product is also good for your brain. So it also helps in improving the memory or prevents the decline of memory, which generally happens with age, and also keeps intact the thinking skills or the cognitive power, which goes down with age. Apart from that, it can also prevent diabetic neuropathy in people having diabetes. So diabetic neuropathy is the damage to the nerves or the pain associated with nerves in people having diabetes. So this can also help in that particular problem. Like all omegas, this omega is a very good as an anti-inflammatory. It can prevent inflammation in the body, and along with that it can also help to support your immunity by boosting the functions of the immune cells in your body. It can also help to prevent certain types of cancers like colorectal cancer, and in women this can also help to prevent the occurrence of breast cancer. So those were the benefits of this unique product. I hope that gives you ample reason to give it a shot. So once you get this, how do you consume it? So you can take 1 or 2 soft gels per day for best benefits. You can take 1 soft gel twice a day after your meal. Summing it up once again for you all. So this is omega 3, 5, 6, 7, 9 with additional 5 and 7 as the omegas, apart from the 3, 6, 9 which you generally get in the market. This is a completely vegan and vegetarian sourced product, and it comes from 5 sources: flaxseed oil, borage oil, olive oil, sea buckthorn oil, and the pomegranate seed oil. And it can help you in functions related to your heart, your brain, and immunity. And you can take it as a dose of 1 soft gel twice a day. Hope you liked this information about omega 3, 5, 6, 7, 9. We'll meet again next time with some other new and unique product from Pure Nutrition. Thank you so much. Have a great day.